Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 5.2. That question number 1. State the property that is used in each of the following statement. A, B parallel. A and B parallel. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. That will be corresponding angle property. CAP. Corresponding angle property. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. That will be alternate interior angle property. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. That is same side property. Same side property. Same side property. So you can write also here. That will be 1 first solution. That will be corresponding angle property. Second solution, you will be right alternate interior angle property. Alternate interior angle property. These are a short form. Third part solution, that will be same side property. Same side property. Second question, first part, in the adjoining figure identify the pair of corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means you will be read in this chapter that angle 1 and 5 solution, angle 1 5, that 2 6, angle 2 comma angle 6, and then angle 4 8, angle 4 angle 8, that angle 3 7, angle 3 7, angle 3 angle 7. Second part, the pair of alternate interior angle 3 5 2 8, angle 3 angle 5 angle 2 angle 8. That third part solution, the pair of interior angles on same side of a transversal 3 8 2 5, angle 3 angle 8 angle 2 5, angle 2 angle 5. Fourth part, the vertical opposite angle 1 3 2 4, angle 1 angle 3 angle 2 angle 4, angle 5 7, angle 5 angle 7, angle 6 8, angle 6 angle 8. Third question, in the adjoining figure P parallel Q find the unknown angle. That will be angle E is equal to E plus 125 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So E is equal to that 180 minus 125. So E is equal to 10 less 5 5, 8 less 2 7 less 2 5, 55 degree answer. And then F is equal to E by vertical opposite angle. So F is equal to 55 degree. 55 degree. And then angle A. Angle A is equal to, that is E by corresponding angle. So A is equal to 55 degree. Then angle C is equal to A by vertical opposite angle. So C is equal to 55 degree answer. Angle B plus 55 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 55 degree, so that is 125 degree. Answer angle B. Then D, no need to write the angle. D is equal to B by vertical opposite angle, so D is equal to 125 degree. This is also answer. This is a very lengthy but easy. Question number 4. Find the value of x in each of the following figure if the L parallel M. So first part, solution x plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 110. So x is equal to 70 degree. This is the answer. Second part, that x is equal to 100 degree. This is also answer. Fifth question, in the given figure the arms of two angles are parallel. Angle ABC 70 degree. Then find the first part, angle DGC. Solution, angle DGC is equal to, that will be also 70 degree. Second part, angle DEF. Solution, angle DEF is equal to also 70 degree. And then sixth question, that in the given figure below decide whether L is parallel to M. That first, no, 126 plus 44 is equal to 4 to 10, 4 to 6 1 7, that one no. Second part, that this is also no. 75 plus 75 degree is equal to 150 degree, that's also no. Third part, solution, 123 plus 57 is equal to 081, yes. And then fourth part, last, 72 plus 98 is equal to 10, 170 degree, that is also no. Okay.